what you heard. Oh, you thought it was... Oh, okay.
Ay, papá. Un sancochito delicioso.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel it in the air. Now you pussy like Lilith Fair. Put something in your ear, go out your other ear. I wasn't clear, then I clarify. It's perilous. Clear your blackout, we sick. Go get the clarity. I'm rarely in places you ever knew of. Fornicating on foreign soil, I'm pretty sure you never grew up. Go get a few bucks, fuck around and get your ego bruised up. I play the casino, might dip the Rio. Contemplating my life on God Brewer with a fine whore. Sitting in my ride, I'm like the fine chicken. Crib and whip, both got biscuits. I took my shit without permission. Sun through salt, I'm never slipping. Pardon my stench, but if you reach, I'm valid. They verify your identity out the Verrazano. Pardon my French, but let me speak Italian. Hey, paisano, parlo un po' di italiano. VVs when I snicker and switch to poker face. Poking holes in the poker nose with potent smoke to blaze. Aged steak and Chardonnay by Marley Place. Why you tight like Ed Hardy, cause you hardly paid. Back in the days was uptown like a jar of haze. Starving trying to play my part in plays that will hardly make sense to you. Now it makes sense, I'm more sensible. Mention who, shit go in your ventricle and exit you. Aioli on the tentacle, rollie all snowy like it's winter blue. Have you counting Grizzle in a minute too. Platano on the pole, prone to show no mercy on your soul. You end up on a gurney or the road. All my shit is gourmet, all base, modern. I spot him, the recoil make me do the Harlem Shake. Find a cake, the bakery of my brain waves. My shit moldy, bitch, I'm a mainstay. Used to get it off the stove. Now I'm eating, I'm supposed to.
Yeah, we eating, bitch.
Hear you talking out your nose. You remind us of what them hoes do.
You sound like a bitch.
You better take it slow. There's a Platano on the pole. Said you better take it slow. There's a Platano on the pole, you know. Wow.
¿Vamos a la mesa?
Sí, claro.
¿A servirlo?
Es hora de degustarlo, sí, señor.
Hagamos de memoria, doña Dora. Muchas gracias.
El
Gracias.
restaurante.